Hi, and welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, the 1st of August, 2024. So, new month, new levels, new beginnings, if you will. You know, the Nasdaq made a parabolic movement to the upside with yesterday's positive 3% rally ahead of some major tech company earnings like Apple and Amazon slated for today's post-market session. Now, the move also seems to have been aided in part by dovish comments about possible rate cuts in September from Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell during yesterday's conference, and has counteracted some of the recent losses after the tech-heavy index hit all-time high of 20,915 on July 10. Still, the Nasdaq is down about negative 6.5% since those all-time highs as of yesterday's close, even as early trading in the Nasdaq futures contract points toward the rally continuing today. So let's take a look at that probability of the rally continuing today. So in front of us, we have the daily candlestick chart for the Nasdaq. So we see that parabolic movement, done yesterday. The market has obviously fluctuated to the upside very strongly. So 20,000 seems to be that particular level for us to come and see how close we're going to come to it today. So let's raise our level of support to 19,200-ish, right about that, which is right about around, above this this movement or this node of volume that was created previously to that all-time high, actually also to that gap. So interestingly enough, we placed the level of resistance right in the smack of that gap being created on July 20th. So let's see if the market will fluctuate towards that side, being dovish about it. In the S&P 500, the market seems to be looking for that track. And also we saw the market is just open. So let's raise our level of resistance to right about here, 56.25, and our support to 5,500. Okay, so let's be long the S&P. We have the Dow. So let's just use that double top for the Dow, and let's just use 40,800-ish for support. So moving along also to the upside. The Russell seems to be having some rough time, but if we take a look at this, we actually have created an ascending triangle. So we could put here, and then we can do here. And so therefore we can come in and measure the opening of the triangle and place that line to where we are anticipating or speculating where the market could move to. Now, will we see that much of a movement? Perhaps not, but I'm still being bullish. So let's see, going long with the Russell. Crude oil, how is it going to start the month of crude oil for crude oil market? Let's see. Why is it not? Nat Gas. Having issues with the charts again. There you go. All right. So crude oil. Wow, crude oil also had that nice parabolic movement to the upside. So let's use the medium for a possible, resistance on that level, around that level. So 79 in change. Let's go with the momentum to the upside. Nat Gas. Oh, it is making equal highs, equal lows. A great setup for a breakout. So let's just raise a little bit more to the medium, that level of resistance, and the lower Bollinger Band as support. So going along, buying gold. Wow, gold has made a nice move to the upside. So 2480. Let's see if 2480 would be a nice level of resistance, and 2420 of support. So going along with going long, buying it. Silver also making nice moves. So let's use the medium as a resistance, and let's just use 28 as support. So I'm going long. Copper as well, making equal. Also, it's created a double top here. So let's just raise a little bit more to 424, and let's just use this part for support. Will we continue with this momentum to the downside? That's what we got to ask ourselves. Then Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin is just looking to make a dive, perhaps, but not. Maybe not. 68,000 was going to be a resistance right there. And then take a look at the Ethereum. Ooh. Let's use the lower band for support and the medium for resistance. Going with the trend, selling. The currencies also. Oh, the euro broke that 108 level. Will continue to slide. Let's see. Let's use the medium for resistance. So going with the trend, dollar is about to be getting strong. Oh yeah. So we have the pound. It fluctuated below 128, but it quickly retreated. So let's just use the lower band as support and the medium as resistance for the pound, and the dollar index. Ooh, looks mighty strong. So let's just lower on a 4.5. All right, that's our level for today. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you tomorrow.